Good morning, good evening or good afternoon from Swieradow-Zdroj, which is a very healthy spa in the giant mountains in the southwest Poland. And can you see I'm sitting in the sun? I'm not even wearing a jacket. It's boiling hot. It's absolutely boiling hot. And we ordered some latke, which is Jewish potato pancakes. Ian was gonna have with meat. I'm gonna have without meat. And what weird, we ordered Coca-Cola and it came in a glass. There's no can and no bottle. It just came in a glass.
You haven't got sugar, do you?
And no sugar for my cappuccino, so let's see what's gonna happen after that. I'll show you around. You can't see, the mountains are there. I don't know if you can see. And again, the place looks very German. And even the menu, menu is in German. Although we are in Poland. Yes, the menu is in German and we are in Poland. Of course they all speak German in here. Plenty of German tourists comes here. Anyway, let's see what they're gonna serve us. This is our breakfast. We did not eat anything yet, and it's, what time is it?
12:15.
12:15, and I'm outside. I'm outdoors. I don't know. Sorry, I don't have my selfie stick today. I'm sitting outside, and this is what I'm wearing. Just a nice little top. That's it. Ian is wearing a T-shirt. It's that hot, and it's 24th of November. Guys, you have to forgive me. After we ordered food, the sun went sort of behind the cloud and we were cold. We had to go in and I could not film, but the food was still lovely. And now we're trying to find the museum of the spring, and this is what we found, the actual spring. This is where it all started. These are all the healthy waters people come here to drink. So we are going now to a special drinking, just here, place. I mean, drinking water, spring water, healthy water place. And we're going through a spring, it's called Spring Park. You can go up the tower there if you want. Oh, you see, the sun is out. I think we can go up that staircase. Sorry, I'm completely lost in here. I don't know. Oh, okay, here we are. Exit navigation. I was using navigation to get in here, but I think I'm good. Oh, we are good. Whew. But we had a latke, which is potato pancakes, and they were okay. They were lovely and freshly made. And welcome to Swieradow Park Zdrojowy. We're going inside there. Prepare to be amazed. I don't know why this is not working, but maybe because it's winter and they know if temperature goes -20. Okay, Ian, can you do the honor and open the big door? Look at the size of that door. Wow. You can put two humans on top of each other. So this is it. Oh, what do you think? Isn't that spectacular or what?
Quite cool, it's a museum.
This place is famous for semi-precious stones, of course mountains, and I'm showing you a little bit display, what for sale. Wow. Look at those beautiful big agates.
No.
This one, 624, so about 120 pounds. This one, 354, about 70 pounds.
That's nice, that was there. It looks like the sunset in the sea, doesn't it? The 95 one.
Do you want it?
Eh?
Do you want it?
I'm just saying here. It's beautiful.
So this is all from this
There's
mountains
the
here.
little miners there, you see?
Look at little miners on top of it. Cute.
Oh,
or-
it's cute. Look at that.
Actually, I found there was like a bed and breakfast. It was called Agate, and I looked at the website, and they said because it's on a field of agate, you can go and dig for agate yourself. They will point this. That's the one. Go there. Amazing. And there is some silver here. I don't know if silver is from here. And a pharmacy. Huge building. Beautiful place. Of course, it's 1 month till Christmas is empty, but I can imagine this place summertime will be buzzing. We couldn't find any source of water, so I asked, and we were told to go on the main square left here. Okay. Oh my God! It's just like a fountain or something. This is it. Guys, have a look. And where is the water coming from and how? Oh, you have a cup. Oh, there's the water. 80 groszy. Shall we get some? Hold this and film me. Maybe you can't see me. Okay, I'll just switch it off. Okay guys, I'm here to buy something. I'm gonna try the water. Water is coming from here. So that cost, I don't know, about 20, not 20, 5 pence. I did not get any change. It says price 0.20. I gave it 1 and I never get any change. Okay, I have to be brave and try this. Oh my goodness, Ian, you have to try. It's delicious. Come on. You will feel a bit of iron in it. Slightly irony. But you can feel it as spring water. So guys, I'm drinking, oh my God, we were lucky, she just closed. Let's go to the light. So this is the famous healing water from Swieradow-Zdroj. It's delicious. So refreshing. I could drink this all day, and I don't like water, but this is phenomenal. Ian, do you want to finish that? We were so lucky, this lady just closed the window.
Have some more, dear, and I'll take the last 3 drop for that. Maybe it'll help you.
Maybe. I had a little bit upset tummy this morning, see if this is going to help settle it. But this is the original spring. It used to cascade from here in 1800. Phenomenal place. I mean, this place in 20s was a total bonkers to be. There was for very rich and famous to come for spa. And now, ordinary people like us, bread eaters. Cheers everybody. Ian, your turn.
My turn, the last 3 drop, is it? There's still some. I'll let you finish it, Kate.
No, you finish it. You like your water. Can you believe that window I got it from? I got it and there was a queue behind me and the lady just closed it. And these are the bottles to drink it from. You go and drink that way. You don't drink straight from here. The water has to go around. You see? These are the proper cups to drink mineral waters. Unfortunately, the lady just closed the window. Okay, bye-bye. So we had our water and we're gonna try to go out and see more around us. And there is another beautiful building next to it. See if we can get there. I'm sorry, we're just gonna show you the old sanatorium. It's called sanatorium from outside because the only way we can go up there is we can only go to the tower, but I don't think we can. Ian's legs are not that good. So this is the wooden building we've been. And you can see better. And there's a park below us. And you see, still sunny. And these are the mountains. And that's barometer to show you the weather, I think, or pressure of the water, I'm not sure. No, that's a weather barometer. So, sunshine. It's sunny. Blue sky. So that's the weather station. And this is the thermometer. It's Celsius, what? 8 degrees in Celsius. And this, I don't know what it is. Do you know what's hygrometer?
Pressure, is it?
Maybe it's pressure. Tell me if you know what it is, guys. Again, because it's November, every water is cut off because they want to prevent pipes bursting. But Swieradow-Zdroj is famous for frogs, and this is a frog fountain, and they're lovely frogs in here. They're huge. Look, this is my hand. Big froggies. I'm sure this looks spectacular summertime, but unfortunately you can pet it. Maybe it will turn into a beautiful prince or princess for you.
That one's the frog for love. This one's the frog for health.
Oh, so you have to pet them for health. So, pet them for health. For everybody I know. And everybody I don't know. And let's see, what is this one for? This is frog for happiness. Pet the frog for happiness. For wealth? Do we need it? For people. We don't need it, but for everybody we know. Pet the frog.
Yeah.
Okay. I think this will be it because sun is really going behind the mountain, so I won't get much light. I greet everybody from beautiful Swieradow-Zdroj. And if you like this video, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, leave the comment, please. I love it. I love it when you comment. You know, I will really appreciate. Don't comment on Facebook links. Comment directly on YouTube. Okay? Can you do that for me? Okay, thank you. And KTS and Ian S, who disappeared already because he saw grocery store, say bye-bye for now from Swieradow-Zdroj. Another little thing. I bought for Ian oscypek. It's from Tatras mountains. There's a trademark on it. Only Poland can make those. It's made of sheep milk, and I'm gonna let Ian try one. It looks like this. It's a smoked cheese. Ian, sure. He loves cheese. Let's see what he's gonna say. And from 0 to 10.
It's very nice, yeah.
Isn't it?
It's definitely got a smoked taste. I've only taken a tiny little bit.
Nice.
Still getting the flavours out of it, yeah.
Okay, it's a little bit hard. I'm not sure how fresh it is, but it was vacuum packed, so I assume it is fresh. I love them. They're very smoky, very smoky. I love those cheeses. It's called oscypek. Ian approved of the oscypek?
Yes. bits.
Okay, so we're gonna go and finish the rest of oscypek. We love you all, and now bye bye. I really thought this is it. This is all I'm gonna show you today, but there is one more thing, two more things I want you to see. Two more things. Watch. We have a driver and a passenger. So I don't know how we're gonna drive now. They're conking out, they're asleep. How are we gonna get in and drive? God only knows.